If you know anything about Fayetteville, Georgia, you know it's almost impossible to find good houses under $300,000. And that's exactly what we're looking at today. I've got a great fixer-upper in Fayetteville that has fantastic bones for $225, and at that price, it's all upside. What's up, everyone? It's Terence Richardson, and whether you're planning a move to or within Metro Atlanta in 60 days or 6 months, I can help make that move as smooth as possible. Love to hear from people just like you, so feel free to reach out. My contact information is in the description below. All right, enough talk. Let's get on to the property tour coming up right now. Man, this has a ton of potential between the land, the lake, which is a little low right now, but it's usually higher, and the house itself. How would you renovate this house? Let me know in the comments below. And if you'd like to see this house or any others, I'd love to help make that happen for you. Feel free to reach out. My contact information is in the description below. If you want to watch the next property tour, click over here. Never want to miss another one? I'd consider subscribing. Click over here. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.